Hello everyone, this is my video presentation for the conjoint analysis assignment. In this project, I analyzed the consumer preference for different types of Costco's membership. Costco's global expansion faces a critical challenge in balancing standardized membership pricing, and this mismatch risks limited membership adoption despite strong brand recognition, especially when local competitors such as Sam's Club in China offer a low-priced alternatives. And the research gap, this project addresses a critical gap in international retail management research. Existing studies market competition collectively influence consumer willingness to pay for membership program. Additionally, prior pricing research in retail prioritize physical goods over subscription based service, leaving a void in understanding tiered pricing strategy for global membership models. And this study proposed a dynamic tiered pricing plus cultural tailored benefits solution for Costco to address membership fee challenges in emerging markets by introduce a basic membership tier annual fee of $32 $40 with streamlined benefits like restricted access to luxury goods in markets where fees account for 3 to 5% strategy balanced globally consistent with local affordability region while maintaining mature market retention rents above 90%, offering a replaceable pricing framework for global membership-based enterprise. And now let's look at the three and the two. The second one is literature review. The fourth one is my survey form, and this is a service link. Fifth is sample design. It's a convenient sampling, sample random sampling, and stratified sampling. The convenient sampling, it's fast and low cost, suitable for earlier insight into Costco membership preference, like via streamed or online survey, less representative, and the simple random sampling, highly representative if a full shopper list exists but hard to access such data. The stratified sampling improves representatives by sampling with the subgroups, but more complex. So I choose the convenience sampling. I choose the convenience sampling because it is easy to implement and cost effective, which suits the time and the resource constraints of this mini project. Although it may lead to based samples, it is a practical solution when a completely sampling frame is not available. Additionally, collecting response from diverse sources such as online communities, public space, and university campus can help increase the diversity of the sample and provide a useful insight into the Costco's membership's behavior in one attributed levels. My attributed included three parts. Two is $40 and $30. Attribute 2 is membership benefits. It also includes three levels. The basic tier is warehouse access plus 2% cashback, and the enhanced tier it included the basic tier and free delivery, also plus the 5% fuel discounts. The three-level premium tier, it included the enhanced tier and also the exclusive product early access and the travel package discount. The three attribute is number of users, one users, two users, and three users you can choose. The 7 is my design builder. These are included the 12 profile and the one attribute. It means $60, and like this the two attribute, and also the attribute 3 1, like this one users, and the 8 is survey form. That works. That's my 8 profile, the 8 questions about the survey. At 20 raw data, I have here respondent ID and the questions about their questions. Is adjusted data. The adjusted data is a simplified of the raw data, just to use the more clearly regression. The 11 is regression output. Here worked like I should do the data analysis and the regression. Okay, and I choose ranges here and the X ranges here from respondent to user 3. Okay, that's the regression output. 3 multiple are equal 0.397. There is a moderate positive relationship between the predictor variables and the preference for Costco's membership type. R squared equal 0.158. The model explains about 15.8% of the variation in membership choice. Adjusted R squared equal 0.123. After adjusting for the number of predictors, this model still explains 12.3% of variance. The standard error equal 1.105. The average error between predicted and actual preference is about 1.105 units. And the observation equal 136. A total of 176 participants were included in the study. ANOVA F value equal 5.5 indicates the overall model is statistically significant. and the significant if equal 0.000128, a very low p-value, means at least one predictor variable significantly influence membership choice. Practical implication for decision marketing. Although the model only explains about 50% of the variation in the Costco membership's preference, it is statistically significant. This suggested that factors like price sensitivity, shopping frequency, perceived value, and household size meant have real influence on the type of membership people try expectations. The annual fee profile is the 60 annual fee reference plus premium tier reference and plus the number of users not shown reference level, just like 3 users. Baseline profile utility 0. All are reference levels in regression, thus utility equal 0. And the ideal product profile $30 annual fee includes the enhanced tier and the 2 users. 0.803 is a 0.1 utility plus 0.144 is the enhanced tiers utility and plus the 0.379. It means 2 users utility equal 1.326. A clear product profile yields a total utility of 1.326, while the baseline profile composed of all reference levels which do not appear in the regression output, like 3 users, has a utility of 0. Like this one, charts. There have 2 charts about the average part worth utilities for each membership attribute, and the just like this one. And the second one is attribute importance. This representation summarizes the result of conjoint analysis for Costco membership option. Profile is $60 plus premium tier and 1 users. Its prediction the least favored due to higher price and the single user restriction. The second one is $30 plus basic tier and 2 users. Profile 2 is predicted to be the most attractive option to consumers. It features the lowest price and a basic but sufficient membership tier and allows for 2 users, maximizing perceived value. The last one profile is the $60 and plus premium tier plus 3 users. It seems like the profile ranks the middle, with no strange positive or negative attributes. Analysis shows what Costco customers truly value. If I were Costco, I would offer low-cost, shareable membership options. Yeah, so that's all.